Hello children, this is Renu Tomar from APS Agra. Today I am going to show you a very special recipe, that is pinwheel sandwiches. So make sure before starting with it or before preparing it, you have to sanitize your hands as I have done. So here I am showing you the ingredients which I have used in this recipe. So first of all, I have taken the bread. You can see here. Then this is coriander chutney, and this is Amul butter, Amul cheese here, and I've grated some tomato, and this is cucumber grated, and this is mayonnaise, and this is tomato ketchup. To make this, I'm going to first take some breads. I'm going to trim the edges of all the breads. And now I'm going to flatten each bread slice so that rolling becomes easier. I'm going to take 3 bread slices first. On the first slice, I'm going to spread butter evenly. On the second one, I'm going to spread some cheese. Now on the third slice, I've again used the butter. Now I'm going to apply some coriander chutney. Now on the first slice, I'm applying some tomato ketchup and spread it evenly. So you can see how colorful the sandwich is. So for the stuffing, I'm taking some grated cucumber and some chopped tomatoes, and we'll now be mixing some mayonnaise in it. Mix it well. So now I'm keeping the stuffing on the last slice. So now to make it look like a pinwheel, I'm going to place this cheese slice on the top of the first slice, and finally the one with the stuffing on it. And now I'm going to roll it very gently. I'm going to press it a little. And now I'm going to cut it and show you how it will look from inside. Oh, see how beautiful it is looking. I'm sure children, you all would love this recipe. So, my colorful pinwheel sandwiches are ready. They are ready to serve. You can serve it at any point of the day and enjoy it. Do let me know how do you like it. Bye-bye.